All right, guys, we got so many projects going on, but today's project is the dock. If you're new here, my name's Allie. We live off grid. We do lots of DIYs. If you've been here, hi. Okay, I'm gonna go to Lowe's. We already have 6 barrels, and we're gonna build a dock today. So I have my list. You can see it, right? This is the dock. Here's our 6 barrels. So we're gonna need 10 2x6s and 23 1x6s for the top. So I'm gonna go get them. So we're gonna do a 12-foot by 12-foot dock. So it'll be a big square. I'm gonna go get those now, and then we'll be back to build this dock. All right, we just got back from Lowe's. So hot. The hardest part about all of this will be that we can't drive over to the pond. We're gonna have to carry all 6 barrels and all of the lumber up by hand. And it's up a hill. So we're preparing for that. Okay, we have 34 boards and 6 barrels to bring over the creek and through the woods. To the pond we go. In times like these where it's just super duper hard work, I just have to think to myself, how lucky am I to have a body that is capable of doing this? I can do it. I can do hard things, even though it's terrible. All right, guys, that was brutal. So we have 6 barrels, and we are making a 12-foot by 12-foot deck. Alright, so this is the upside down dock. We have the corner screwed. And then we're going to put, these are 2x6 by 12s. We're going to snug them in close, screw in the ends. So we have one long board, and then we have the 12 footers. There'll be one on either side of this, there, and then we have some cross pieces that we'll put in also. Going around and drilling holes to put rope through. We're drilling holes to put rope through and around the barrel just to hold it in place. All right, we took all our measurements. Smell like 8th freeze pop of the day. Took all our measurements, and now we are going to cut the wood for the middle pieces. All right, so we have all our boards in place. We did one at the end of each barrel and then two in the middle. All right, we got all of the pieces in and screwed on. So now we're gonna take out the barrels and we're gonna put on the decking boards on top. The hardest part about all this is hopefully we can get it into the water because it's gonna be heavy. All right, guys, we realized as we were stepping on the board, we have like a 37-inch gap, and so we need to put another joist in between. So we need two more 2x6x12s. And we're gonna have to try to flip this thing over, which is gonna be the interesting part. We also need like one more tiny piece on the edge here. So we'll just do a corner and think that's a lot of.
Yeah, good luck. That's it. I still need your help to get the corner up. Once it's up.
Then you can hold it?
Yeah, I mean, like this is the hardest part of the thing. If I say drop it.
All right. Lift. All right, we got 4 barrels in. It's about to storm. We need 2 more joists. We'll finish it tomorrow. All right, guys, it's the next day. We need to put the strings around the barrels and add 2 joists to the middle of the boards here. I never want to carry a piece of wood again.
Down there.
Are you kidding me?
And on this one.
Alright, so we've just been trying to figure out how to tie the rope around the barrel without flipping it over because we can't lift it to flip it over. So that's what we've been doing. Alright guys, we are going to seal the holes on the barrel. Still flipped one over and stuff started pouring out. And then we're gonna put in the water. We just got 1 string around each barrel. And we'll just pray it works because we are over it. We'll see how it goes. All right, we just used leftover like gutter silicone, caulking, silicone, whatever. So we're gonna give it a little time to dry and we're gonna try to push her in the pond and hope the barrels don't come out. All right, we're back up here at the pond and we're gonna do this. It's so hot. It's probably 90 degrees at least. Let's go, Jack, let's go!